कास्ट इतनी बड़ी है कि आप फिर सोचते हैं ना कि कैसे जोड़ेंगे, कौन किसके साथ क्या, यू नो, इट्स फॉर मी इट वाज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. एक्सपेक्टेशंस हाई हैं, क्या करें, अब देखेंगे. फॉर द फर्स्ट एपिसोड आई एम आल्सो गोइंग टू गिव इट ए one thumbs up.
One thumbs up.
So first and foremost, congratulations, new production house in town. Always good because शुरुआत बहुत अच्छी होती है, and I hope आपने जो effort और जो energy इस particular production में डाली है, I hope you maintain that in all your productions because you can see it. You can see that it has been made with a lot of love and a lot of effort. Brilliant cast. I mean, everyone and their grandmother. Writer, of course, we know. Locations, excellent locations. We know that ये बाहर भी जाएंगे, not local, but they will go abroad also. Not only local and within Pakistan, they're going to be moving around also. So you, because आपको उसमें trailer में आपको एक
जगह नजर आ रही है.
Plus also the houses and everything. It was. Where the story is going to go with such a massive cast is the interesting part. Atika feels it's predictable. For me, it's not. One or two things, yes. वो हम predictable भी नहीं, मैं कहती हूँ कि वो मेरा assumption है कि मैं सोचती हूँ कि शायद ये होगा. But वो हम देखेंगे. लेकिन cast इतनी बड़ी है कि आप फिर सोचते हैं ना कि कैसे जोड़ेंगे, कौन किसके साथ क्या, you know, it's for me it was very very interesting. The shooting was beautiful, light was lovely. साकिब का काम हम पहले देख चुके हैं
कर्ज़े जाम में,
and so we know that, you know, we have something very interesting coming, and it's expectations high हैं, क्या करें, अब देखेंगे. For the first episode I'm also going to give it a one thumbs up.
One thumbs up.
It's been a little shorter, but very very nicely done. But what I really enjoyed was the difference in the two families. There was calm एक family में, there's peace, there is tranquility, और दूसरी side पे there's a bit of chaos. And you know, तो वो जो शुरू के जो वो जो scenes साथ साथ चल रहे थे कि यहाँ वो जल्दी में वो खोलो वो खोलो, कहाँ जा रही हूँ, ये कर रही हूँ वो कर रही हूँ, everyone's getting worried. And on the other hand, वहाँ तलावत हो रही है. And I don't know whether Shehryar was doing it in his own.
खुद किया.
I think it's his own voice.
तो it was wow, very nice. So that and I didn't get quite the dialogue about the father because वो बाप को देख रही होती है ना.
वो अपने वालिद को देख रही होती है.
हाँ, उसका कुछ उसने कहा था, उनकी बरसी होती है उस दिन. हाँ,
उस दिन.
So you know that I really liked the you know the जो आपने दो फैमिलीज के बीच में, you know, काम एंड केओस का वो जो दिखाया. वेरी बोल्ड कैरेक्टर, जो दुर्रे का कैरेक्टर है, वेरी वेरी बोल्ड, टू द पॉइंट दैट both characters actually, even Nameer, because they are not even engaged officially, and yet they are seeing each other. Families don't have an issue with it.
They're traveling together.
वही मैं कह रही हूँ, the families don't have an issue with it, which is, I hope, taken in a positive way and not in a negative way, because that to me would be really bad. But anyway, but obviously इस family को थोड़ी सी issues हैं. अब दूसरी भी जो दो बेटियां हैं उनको भी यही freedom मिली हुई है, नहीं मिली हुई, वो ज़रा हमने आगे देखना है कि और अगर इसको इतनी मिली हुई है, क्यों मिली हुई है इसको इतनी freedom. और वो तो, you know, like she comes back and says कि मैं तो जा ही नहीं रहा, but I'm not going to go. If he can't go, I'm not going to go. So that was a very interesting angle. But what I liked about it is कि उस चीज़ को इन्होंने वो नहीं किया ना, धड़म वो जो हम लोग करते हैं ना कि उसको इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं कि it's part of, you know, it's life. This is what happens in life, that, you know, your child can come up to you and say कि this is not what I want to do, and it's not the end of the world, but you do want to talk about it, you do want to convince them, because obviously getting into Harvard is not a small thing. It's quite a big thing. But that part of it, Dadi, obviously, you know, I had a chat with Sabha also about this. We cannot take away the performance, neither from Sania nor from. But production has to think about it. Whatever the reason is, whatever the reason maybe के, you know, actor change हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, आपको कुछ में, आप character का थोड़ा सा like इनको आप बड़ी बहन बना सकते थे instead of a दादी. You know, like if she could have been an older sister, वो भी फिर आपको हजम हो जाता है ना कि she's जिसने इनको पाला हुआ है, let's say for instance, I don't know the story, so I'm so sorry, Umaira, I don't want to step on your toes there, but what I'm saying is that production में फिर जब हम screen पे कोई चीज़ लाते हैं ना, तो वहाँ आपको एडजस्टमेंट्स करनी पड़ती हैं, बिकॉज वी डोंट गेट द परफेक्ट कास्ट. हमारे यहाँ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स नहीं होते, हम लिमिटेड हैं एक्टर्स के साथ, बिकॉज सो मच इज़ हैपनिंग एंड एवरी वन इज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड यू नो ऑल ओवर, क्या कहते हैं, दी प्रोडक्शन हाउसेज. सो उसमें आपको थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है कि आप दादी से आप उसको कुछ, तो वो एक बिलीवेबल फैक्टर आ जाता है इसमें. बिलीवेबल अनफॉर्चुनेटली बिकॉज एक दूसरे ड्रामे में शी इज़ प्लेइंग हिज वाइफ, सो वो जो चीज़ है ना, इस पे आई थिंक इवन चैनल्स नीड टू टॉक टू ईच अदर, नीड टू टॉक टू ईच अदर कि भाई अगर ये हो रहा है तो आप ये कितने बजे चलाएंगे, कितने बजे ये कब तक चलेगा. एंड आई थिंक इट शुड बी अ डिस्कशन which suits both of them. You can't say कि भाई हम नहीं बात करेंगे because हम तो यही, you know, like it needs to be there. You need to have some kind of sense because we are so limited in our cast. So I hope आगे करें. The other thing is that उसके अलावा, you know, there wasn't really a story. It was basically introducing characters. आपको पता है कि the mother, you know, doesn't like the दादी too much. The two daughters, उनका तो अभी बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं आया. That part was very interesting about the girl who's calling. You know, who can this girl be, and why is she calling? So वो interest एक आपने इसमें रखा. But overall, enjoyable, good screen, fresh screen. So I am going to also, I'll give a 7 right now to the writer only for this episode alone, because you know nothing amazing happened. You know, abhi twists and turns aayenge, and I know and I'm sure the story is going to get very interesting, and I'll give 8 to the director. Katika, 8 and 8 is absolutely fine for both of them, because like she said, abhi to kahani aage jani hai, but at the same time, yes, Durre has lost weight. She's looking younger. She has worked on herself, and it is paid off. Because if you look at her in the last one we saw, which was it? With Firoz. नहीं, Firoz के साथ.
Firoz and Ahmed Ali Akbar.
हाँ.
सांवल यारपी है.
So मुझे लगता है she is looking at least 5 to 6 years younger in this one, and I think she's playing it that way also, and I think the clothes are suiting her. I think everything about her is working out very, very well, and as long as one loses weight for the right reasons, I think you should, because camera जो है ना आपका, वो आपको कितना 10 times ज़्यादा दिखाता है,
10 pounds.
हाँ, 10 pounds ज़्यादा दिखाते हैं ना. So that's why if you see a lot of people on screen and then when you see them off screen, आप सोचते हैं कि आप तो you know बहुत ही पतली हैं. So that is why also one looks. So sometimes when you see someone, they're not really as heavy as they are, but camera ये आपके ये एक ज़्यादती करती है.
पूरी जिंदगी मुझे लोगों ने कहा आप तो बड़ी slim हैं. All my life people have said this to me when I met them in real life. I'm like,
So you know, when you do take on a production, one is always conscious of, you know, how you're going to look. But well done, Durre. I think the naturalism that has come in your performance of the character that you're playing, whether it's with the Dadi, whether it was with Nameer, whether it was with I think
father and अम्मी अब्बू के साथ भी.
I mean, जब वो आके मुझे वो सीन बहुत interesting लगा जब वो आके कहती है कि मैं नहीं, I'm not going to Harvard, and you know just the fact that she said it so casually, you know, like she meaning उसके कैरेक्टर के बारे में आपको पता चल रहा है ना कि she is a no nonsense, कि भाई जो मुझे करना है वो करना है, और वो literally ऐसे ही करती है. And I think that she's portraying very well. When it comes to शेरियार, मुझे हल्का सा रद वाला शेरियार की टोन और वो फील आ रही है, लेकिन at the same time needless to say कि obviously this is going to go somewhere, the character is going to go somewhere, but for both of them I'm also going to give them an 8. But the tilawat was just beautiful.